Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I have ordered Daily Objects laptop sleeve. So, let's quickly open it. This comes in this wonderful packaging. As you guys can see, we have this small leaflet, which is of no use. Let's unpack this, and we again have a plastic packaging. So, let's open it up. And here we go. We get this sweet nicely finished sleeve, which have this magnetic lid. We have a badging of Daily Objects here in the bottom as well. Let the camera focus on this, and yeah, this is the one. Let me bring my 13-inch MacBook Air, and let's find out if it can fit in. As you can see, it goes in perfectly fine, with edge to edge inside the sleeve. I must say it's perfect for MacBook 13-inch. Whatsoever is the model, Air or Pro. So, yeah. That's it for the video. See you guys in the next one. Please like, share and subscribe.